Hey guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to use Golex AI. Golex AI is designed for people who have very little technical knowledge and don't know how to write complex prompts like a developer. The most basic method to create a website prototype using Golex is to upload a PRD document. It can also be any document that contains information about the project or the client's requirements. You can add this PRD into the Golex chat box. If you have any design UI you want Golex to replicate, you can upload that as an image or document. Golex is smart enough to read the full document and understand what you're trying to build. You don't need complex prompts. Just ask Golex to read the document and generate a prototype. I'll now show the PRD document and the reference image I provided. This PRD was created using an LLM, and it's a typical PRD shared by clients or business teams. It outlines what the project is about, user flow, and key business requirements. Here is the design image I gave to Golex to follow. Golex extracts design cues from this and builds the prototype accordingly. As you can see, the prototype is now ready. This is the working prototype Golex created. It's a fully functional, interactive web app built from a single line prompt. Most buttons in this prototype are completely functional. You can visualize the user flow in real time. No external services like Supabase or Firebase are required. Golex builds the entire solution just from a very simple prompt. You don't need any technical expertise or prompt writing skills. As you can see, almost everything works and creates a great experience for clients or teams to visualize the website. This helps stakeholders understand how the final results will look like and creates clarity. Golex also gives you the front-end code, which developers can build the backend upon. Now let's move to the next step. Let's give Golex a document or image to add into the website. I've chosen a beautiful background and asked Golex to add it to the landing page. This lets you easily add brand colors, logos, and themes to personalize the prototype. It helps your client understand how you'll execute the design and adds polish. Golex will now add the background while generating the code. As you can see, it blends beautifully into the landing page. You can preview this in a separate screen. Now let's say you want to make changes to the prototype. You don't need the perfect prompt. Just take a screenshot of the area you want changed and upload it. Ask Golex to modify that section directly. For example, I asked Golex to update the login screen. I wanted Gmail, Apple, and phone sign-in options. Golex processed the request and updated the UI. Now we see sign-in options for Gmail, Apple, and phone. Just give references and Golex handles the rest. You'll also get a shareable link to send to your team. There's another way to create prototype even without a PRD. You can just describe your idea. For example, ask Golex to build a video streaming platform. It understands your intent and builds the UI and user flow accordingly. Let me fast forward to the result. Golex created a clean, Netflix-style video platform prototype. You'll see browse sections, filter options, genres, notifications, and profile settings. It feels real and intuitive. One last thing I want to show you. This full website was created with just one prompt. Create a 21-day mental wellness journal platform. Golex built multiple pages, fully interactive. You can click Start Your Journey, skip Sign Up, take a questionnaire. It gives personalized responses based on your inputs. There's a calendar, planner, and music library. You can start sessions, mark them complete. Everything works. This is something most other no-code tools don't offer. Let me show a comparison. Using the same prompt in Lovable only generated a single page without much functionalities. Golex is far ahead in delivering working, interactive prototypes compared to what Lovable offers. Try it yourself and see. Thanks.